Hey everyone, Meckler here, and I'm over in Siena, which is a neighborhood in Round Rock, Texas. I'm actually at a CastleRock property. So this one's the San Marcos plan, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys around. So as soon as you walk in, you're greeted with this awesome curved staircase. Really cool entryway. Off to the right, you've got your utility room, so washer and dryer connections there. You've got a half bath in here, so all your guests can use this one. And one of my favorite features, obviously, at this floor plan is this little bar area that's super cool. So if you like to entertain guests, that is pretty cool to have. So off over here will be your garage. It's obviously is the sales office currently, but take a look at this kitchen. So nice open kitchen, tons of room to walk around in. You know, you have some of these kitchens that you kind of bump in. If there's more than one person in the kitchen, you kind of bump into each other. You will not have that problem in this kitchen. So nice countertops. And you've got your pantry in here, which that's actually really cool. I've never seen a pantry like that, but I'm digging it. Something different. So off over here, you've got your little dining area. It's a nice spot to have dinner. And you've got your living area over here. Tall ceilings. I like the windows on the top, letting light in. So nice back patio as well. And take a look at this master suite. Again, love how many windows there is. Tons of natural light coming in. And the master bathroom in here. Walk-in shower in your tub. And your really large master closet. And you can see the curved staircase there, so it's right under there. Good use of the space. I do like how they're switching up the dual vanities these days, so they're kind of just, you know, they're separated from each other. So allowing each person to kind of have their own space. All right, let's go on upstairs. It's a nice different color for the staircase. Desk area right there. Be a fun little room, little game room. Bedroom number 2 in here. So I like how that connects over here. So your guests can use this bathroom if they're upstairs, or whoever's in that bedroom. Bedroom number 3 over here. This extra space over here, put a chair and a desk, it's nice. And your final bedroom in here. And it's got its own bathroom, so that's nice. That is really nice to have. So decent size. Got your walk-in shower. So there you have it. The San Marcos plan by CastleRock in the Siena neighborhood in Round Rock, Texas. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys with a shot of that kitchen.